Hi there, welcome to English Online. Ready, steady, go! Last class, we matched the jobs to their definitions and put the correct article "a" or "an" before each job.
Let's practice. Match the jobs on the left to their definition on the right and put the correct article "a" or "an" before each job.
She's a doctor. He's an engineer. "A" or "an"? "An" or "a". We use "an" before A, E, I, O, U. He's an artist. A, an artist. He's an engineer. A, an engineer. She's an IT developer. I, an IT developer. Now let's check.
A teacher. Works in a school. An actor. Acts in a film, play, or television or radio program. A police officer. Works in a police station. An engineer. Repairs or controls machines. A doctor. Works in a hospital and treats people. A pilot. Flies an airplane. A taxi driver. Drives a taxi. A manager. Answers phone calls and does office work. A chef. Works in a hotel or restaurant. A waiter. Takes people's orders in a restaurant and serves food.